Hi guys.
Hi Sunny.
Hi
Hi,
Adi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Very good, very good. How are you doing? Hi everyone.
I'm- A
Welcome
lot
to
of
the
your
live
fans
class.
have sent in questions already.
Yeah, they are. How sweet. Thank you everyone.
Yeah, yeah. So tell me, how are you keeping yourself so busy these days?
Yeah, I don't know, I'm doing something or the other. I'm reading, I'm watching, you know,
Hmm.
I'm painting a shoe. That's my
Yeah.
new hobby.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean, you keep finding new stuff every day. And
Mm-hmm.
it's okay if you're not busy also. It's okay if you're just lying down in your
Exactly.
bed the whole day. That's also fine.
Yeah. Resting like a lazy bum.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. So tell me, have you rediscovered any of your old hobbies apart from your new one, which is painting?
yeah. No, like I said, like I'm an avid reader actually, but because of work, बीच में मेरा पढ़ना छूट गया था books, and I have a lot of unread books, so I've started picking out books and reading them, So that is one thing that is keeping me very busy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah,
Sunny, your latest project, The Forgotten Army, was amazing, and your
thank you,
performance too.
thank you.
So I wanted to ask you, how difficult was it for you to play a soldier in the series?
I mean, it was as difficult as any other thing that because equal amount of work goes in it. So, but the difficult part was to play it in a period format. बिकॉज हमने
Hmm.
आईएनए के सोल्जर्स को देखा नहीं है, हमने उन्हें ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया है, तो हमें एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं है वो कैसा था। हम बस जो हमारे पास सोर्स
Right.
मटेरियल था उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम उसे कर रहे थे, बट कबीर
Hmm.
सर वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल काफी आईएनए और इन सब को लेकर। तो उन्होंने काफी काफी हेल्प की कैरेक्टराइजेशन को लेकर।
Hmm. Yeah. And a lot of people attended the screening. मतलब बहुत सारा प्यार भी मिला होगा आपको from industry insiders as well. So
जी
tell me,
जी।
what's the best token of appreciation that you received that touched your heart from any industry insider?
From industry insider, I mean, ऐसे I can't remember anything from an industry insider that they said. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
या लगा सर कि मुझे ऐसे ऐसा एग्जैक्टली एक चीज याद नहीं है जो इंडस्ट्री किसी इनसाइडर ने बोला होगा, बट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल नाउ इनफैक्ट आर
Hmm.
मैसेजिंग मी ऑन डीएम्स and
Yeah.
saying that how it is
Hmm.
how that they never knew the story, and it is so
Hmm.
nice to finally have known the story of these people who were not even
Hmm.
staying in India and जो हिंदुस्तान के लिए लड़े थे। तो वो एक बहुत बड़ी
Right.
बात है, तो वो काफी मैसेजेस आते रहते हैं और मैं पढ़ते रहता
Yeah. And a lot of people when someone addresses them as someone's brother, someone's girlfriend, or
हूँ।
someone's sister, a lot of
Yeah.
people get offended and they do not like it. But do you take pride in being called when someone calls you Vicky's brother?
See, there are two sides to this. Okay, frankly,
Hmm.
first of all, why people don't like it is because इससे पहले कि मैं किसी का भाई हूँ या किसी का बेटा हूँ या कोई किसी की बहन है, किसी की बेटी है, हम खुद हैं पहले। ठीक है, मैं सबसे पहले
Right.
सनी कौशल हूँ। सो आई वुड इट्स अ प्राउड थिंग दैट Vicky has achieved so much that I can be called by his name, but at the same
Hmm.
time, it's not a nice. Uh, how do I put it? It's not a very savory feeling. Also, because
Hmm.
you somewhere feel that you would prefer people to call you with your name first.
Right.
But that is a journey. Also, I understand that that is a journey you have to take, and
Hmm.
that's your learning through the process, and that's how you probably grow as well. So I don't
Yeah.
mind it at all,
Hmm.
you know.
Yeah.
बट
Yeah.
एक वो होता ही है, बट फिर भी एक ये होता है कि यार सनी हूँ मैं पहले
उनकी
से।
सेल्फ या सेल्फ
हाँ,
आइडेंटिटी भी है काम किया
एग्जैक्टली,
है राइट
एग्जैक्टली।
exactly and if given a chance like would you mind doing a film with him like in future अगर ऑफर
नॉट
किया
एट
गया
ऑल,
तो
आई एम डाइंग, वी बोथ आर एक्चुअली डाइंग टू वर्क विद ईच
Mhm.
अदर। या
Yeah, yeah, right. Also, as a child, did you accompany your dad on the sets given that he was an action director?
only a few times, like I can actually, it's only I think three films that me and Vicky
Hmm.
went on sets of. The first was Ashoka. We were
Mhm.
shooting for Ashoka to meet. I think he was doing a part in it. He was acting in
Yeah.
it. So just to see that, he called us. Second was Fizza, Film City. We had gone,
Hmm.
and I remember that
Hmm.
very vividly because that was the scene where Ritik was burning the bike, and I
Yeah.
couldn't understand why is he burning the bike so many times because they were doing
Yeah.
retakes, right?
Hmm.
And the third was Krish.
Hmm. So, do
So
you
yeah,
have any
that's it.
fond memories? Like, did you get inspired by like any of the actors like Shah Rukh Khan sir or Hrithik to be an actor
I
at
got
that point of
inspired.
time?
I don't know whether to be an actor or no, but when I went on the sets of Krish, so I didn't get like
Mm-hmm.
it was very inspiring to see how they were pulling it
Mm-hmm.
off. Hrithik jumping on that rock in his introduction, on the mountain. So that's the
Yeah.
scene that they were doing, and it was quite inspiring to see the whole process. And
Yeah.
I
Right.
think that's one of the first moments that I kind of decided or wished that I was in this industry, in any
Yeah.
capacity. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Also, do you feel there's an added pressure given that Vicky has done some amazing movies? Do you feel there is a pressure on you to live up to the kind of work he has done?
I mean, a lot of people have expressed that kind of interest in me, but I
Hmm.
don't take that pressure because वो अगर मैं pressure ले लूँगा तो फिर मैं काम नहीं कर पाऊँगा.
Right. Right.
Yeah, but I
And
think
out
a
of
lot of the fans expect me to do that, which I'll try to.
yeah. And you're also doing a film with Radhika Madan, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Yes. Can you say something about that, like when the shoot is going to start and all?
So the shoot is almost done,
Hmm.
and but now because of the whole COVID-19, we don't know, when any film is going to come out. So that I can't
Hmm.
really say. But it was just a pleasure working on that film there because it was
Yeah.
such a positive set. Our director KD and
Hmm.
Dino as a producer, he's such a hands-on producer. It was just amazing. And Radhika, working with her was just a joyride. I mean, she's such an
Yeah.
energetic person. Yeah, she has that thing of, saying ke
Hmm.
khelte hai, khelte. Chalo khelte.
Hmm.
And it's actually like that. For her, it's so breezy to actually play with her, in
Hmm.
front of the camera. It's just amazing. And there
Yeah.
was Mohit as well, Mohit Raina, who was also
Yeah.
brilliant. Yeah, it's like an elder
Yeah.
brother. It's brilliant.
Yeah. So now I have a long list of your fan questions that
Yeah.
your fans and loved ones sent before we
Yes.
went live, and they are sending in now also. So the
Uh,
first one is from Sunny Side Up.
okay.
He wants to ask you, what's your favorite childhood memory?
Okay. So Sunny Side Up is not a he, it's a she. And
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's a she. And thank you so much. It's that you're doing so much for me.
Hmm.
And sorry, what's my favorite?
Childhood memory.
My favorite childhood memory. I don't know if it's my favorite memory, but it's a funny one.
Hmm.
So I had this habit of cutting clothes. So
Oh,
if I've worn shorts, I would
yeah.
like to just like I just had some fascination with the scissor,
Hmm.
and I still do. In my room, you'll find some scissors, and so I would cut it. So once what happened is that dad had got a new T-shirt of a
Hmm.
WWE player, The Rock,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
so what I just cut it from here.
Oh my God.
And yeah, and I don't know why. I just had this fascination that I had to cut things. So dad
Yeah.
got really angry and he just tore the t-shirt in front of me and kept it
Yeah.
inside my
Oh God.
study table. अभी मैं
Hmm.
पीछे सोचूं तो वो बहुत funny है, but तभी वो funny नहीं था. But yeah, but that is one memory that
Hmm.
kind of sticks with me forever.
Yeah. Someone has asked that out of all the characters that you have played till now, कौन से character है जिससे आप personally relate करते हो? I think it's a question from Nivedita, one of your fans.
Okay, hi Nivedita, thanks for the question. I think the character that I personally relate to the most has to be Himmat from Gold till
Hmm.
now because I drew a lot of मी टू प्ले हिम्मत काफी कुछ हिम्मत का है
Hmm.
जो मैं पर्सनल लाइफ में भी
Hmm.
वैसा ही हूँ सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई रिलेट टू द मोस्ट
Hmm. Yeah. Someone has just asked a funny question. If you were not a Punjabi, what would you be?
इफ आई वाज नॉट अ पंजाबी व्हाट वुड आई बी मैन इफ आई वर नॉट अ पंजाबी आई वुड एक्चुअली लव टू बी जापानीज
Yeah.
yeah I have a very strange fascination with Japan and I love
Yeah.
all things Japanese so I
Hmm.
think I would be Japanese I wouldn't be Indian I just would be somebody from Japan
Yeah. So
yeah.
Shayoni Gupta has just sent you a hi.
Hi, Shani. How are you?
Yeah. So the next question is from Prachi. What thing or which thing encouraged you to Which thing encouraged you the most to do the Forgotten Army?
Which thing encouraged? Well, the first and the foremost thing was that it was directed by Kabir sir, and it
Hmm.
was one of the biggest show Amazon was coming up with. That was enough for me. But the second most important thing was the fact that it was the responsibility uh,
Hmm.
to present a story that not many people knew. Even I did not know.
Hmm.
तो वो हमें लगा कि एक responsibility है,
Hmm.
and it's a good opportunity. So that's why.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
someone has just asked कि शादी का क्या ख्याल है?
ख्याल दुरुस्त है, लेकिन not anytime soon.
Not anytime soon. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's this one question from Netra. She wants to ask you what's your current favorite Punjabi song?
Hi, Netra. My current favorite Punjabi song. So there are a couple. I just yesterday stumbled upon this Punjabi song by Karan Aujla called Chitta Kurta. It's
Hmm.
sung by Karan Aujla and Gulrez Akhtar. And the
Hmm.
second would be Patola by Mickey Singh. I've been hooked on
Yeah.
to that. Hey, Rohit is also here. Rohit Chaudhary, who played Arshad in Forgotten Army. Hi,
Yeah.
Rohit, brother. Bawa, kaise ho? So yeah, these
A
are my
lot of
two
your friends are
favorites.
joining this chat.
Yeah, I think they just want to pull my leg.
Yeah. So someone has asked who is your biggest inspiration?
Who's my biggest inspiration? Yeah, I have never drawn inspiration from a single person.
Hmm.
It always, it's very fluid, it's whoever touches upon your life and you
Hmm.
feel that, you're in awe of, that person inspires you. So I think everybody, and I'm not saying it to be modest or not to pick out one
Hmm.
person, I genuinely do not have one single inspiration. I find
Hmm.
inspiration from everybody that is around me, you know.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Muskan Sharma has asked, who's your celebrity crush?
Who's my celebrity crush? Uh, Alia. Yeah.
Alia, would you
Yeah,
like to
from
work with
from
her?
India. Of course, that's why she's my celebrity crush. Like I don't know her personally, but
Yeah.
from the body of work and from the interviews that I've seen, I really admire the way she conducts
Mhm.
herself. You know,
Yeah.
so it would be Alia, and actually there is Jennifer Lawrence as well, but that's
Yeah.
that's a really long shot, man. I just
That's a
I just love
far-fetched
Jennifer
dream.
Lawrence. Yeah,
Yeah. Someone is constantly asking ki, where is Vicky Kaushal? Where's your
Vicky,
brother?
I'll tell you all a secret. So you all see that room, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is
It's in.
Vicky's room. This is my balcony.
Oh,
That is Vicky's room. He's
oh,
inside his
that's
room.
great. So yeah. So one of your friends from UK has asked to dedicate a song for your fans.
Oh, dedicate a song for my fans.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a nice question. I can't think of a song at the top of my head, yeah.
Hmm.
But it would surely be a Punjabi. I think I'll go with Old School.
Hmm.
Old School by
Yeah.
it's a Punjabi song by Sidhu Moosewala.
Hmm.
So I think I'll go with
Hmm.
Old School because a lot of my fans seem to be knowing that song as well. So I think
Yeah.
I'll go with that. It has no meaning towards them, but it's just a very peppy Punjabi song, and I would like to go
Yeah.
with that.
Someone had requested to sing the same song. Can you sing a few lines?
Of Old School.
Yeah. Someone just requested it. I'm not kidding.
So old school ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਾਈਬ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨਹੀਂ old school ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਹਾਈਪ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਨਹੀਂ old school ਬੈਚੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਯਾਰ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ old school ਕਪੱਤ ਨੂੰ ਜੋ
Hmm.
ਪੈਂਦੇ ਛੱਟਣੇ ਨਹੀਂ old school yeah that's it.
That's great. So someone has asked, what's the one word that you would use to describe Katrina Kaif?
uh Beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. So the next one is, who's your favorite, which is your favorite Netflix series?
my favorite Netflix series, man, I just day before yesterday I saw this series called The
Hmm.
Tiger King,
Hmm.
and I really loved it.
Hmm.
So that is my current favorite. It's a documentary
Hmm.
on Joe Exotic, this guy
Yeah.
called Joe Exotic. So I think a lot of people are talking about it as well. So I happened to catch it,
Hmm.
and
Yeah.
yeah, that's quite good.
So a fan from Malaysia has asked, what is your
Hmm.
most favorite dish that you would like to cook in kitchen?
My most favorite dish that I would like to cook in kitchen. If I could, I would love to make sushi.
Yeah.
But man, it's very difficult. You need a lot of practice. So the second best thing would be butter chicken.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So the next question is from a fan called Nahi. She has
Hi,
asked,
hi, Nahi.
apart from reading books, are you reading any scripts for 2021?
Yeah, man, I am reading some of the scripts, but वो तो चलते ही रहता
Right.
है. Yeah.
And someone has asked, ki, apart from reading and painting, what are the things that you like to do?
What are the things that I like to actually be in the kitchen and
Hmm.
do something there. I enjoy it's quite therapeutic to be in the kitchen. And I like to play my djembe once in a while here and there, you know. Uh, yeah, I like to dance in front of the mirror. Sometimes just
Hmm.
hook up music and dance
Hmm.
in front of the mirror. I love that. Yeah.
Yeah. So one of your fans from Bangladesh has asked, who is your favorite actor?
Oh, hi, my fan from Bangladesh. Uh, my favorite actor. Uh,
Hmm.
oh, that's a good question. My favorite actor would be actually Ranbir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ranbir Kapoor, because I
Hmm.
just there's this honesty in his eyes that he pulls off
Hmm.
everything with, which I really love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sunny, for
Thank you so much,
answering so
Nirali.
many questions. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much. Yeah,
thank you,
your fans
thank
must
you,
have loved
everyone.
it.
Yes, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I hope I did justice to your time, everyone, and just
Yeah.
stay home, stay safe, and be happy. We'll get through this. See you
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah. We'll get through this. Stay safe, Sunny. Take care.
Take care, Nirali. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.